Erin Lee in a toque. Come on, don't waste time.
Yeah, no, I went to costume and this is what they put me in. So Katie, this little get-up is especially for you. There's only 3 things you have to remember about the hot tub.
Whoop, whoop.
First one is this little guy. He's orange. After every use, you put in about 2 tablespoons. Maybe about that much.
Whoa.
You just toss it in. That means you're done each time. And then once a week, you need to do 2 special things.
2 special things once a week, Katie.
The first is these very expensive special strips that were given to us by a mad chemist. They have 3 little squares on them. Don't cross them. Don't ever put 2 in at once. It could explode. But this is what it looks like. And you're going to put it in there
Hold
for 2.
still. There we go.
Very caffeinated though. You're going to put it in for 2 seconds. And you have to sing while you do that. That was like 2.5, so this might not work. Look at those cool colors. Okay?
Bring it up here. Show me.
Compare it. And you're going to look at this little doohickey. So this is very purple, which means I got lots of chlorine because I just put some in. You saw me do it. Second row is this guy here, alkalinity. I'm pretty close to okay. In my little green, I'm a little bit low. I'll come back to that in a second. And my pH is starting to get up into the right category. You're trying to be okay. Okay. If this is really white, you're going to add this one right here.
Wait, if what's really white?
If this first square isn't purple, but it's actually quite white on here, if it's a lot less than what you've got, you want to put in about 1/3 of a cap of that.
The blue one.
Okay. If this one right here is on the amber side.
What one is that? Can you tell us?
This middle one here.
Yeah, what's it called?
This is about alkalinity. So if it's not in this kind of greeny blue color category, you're going to add something called pH increaser, which I need to do. This one you put in about 1/2 a cap because it's a small cap. Oh, that's about a full cap. We'll put that much in this time. It's really chlorinated, okay? And then the last one is this yellow one, and it has to do with pH balance. And right now, with the color that it's showing, I'm really acidic, but because I just put in that pH increaser, it's also going to come up. Okay, so I got free chlorine, which is the blue one right there. I got alkalinity, which is that red one right here, and this pH one is kind of the summary of the balance of those 2. So once a week, you grab a little strip, you put it in there for 2 seconds, and you compare. And you add ones to make sure that you come up to here. And if it's above the OK mark, those squares are more colorful than this, just leave the cap off for ½ an hour. The other big thing to do is the filter, and this one requires a little bit of Ocean's 11 sort of gymnastics, and I'm really flexible and you get to see that.
And while he's doing that, I'll just add that if any of those things are high, like they're off the charts, the best thing you can do is have a party. And bring everyone in the hot tub. Wait. But not a big party, because it's our house. But just like your 3 closest friends. Right. And then you go in the hot tub, and then your bodies will get rid of all the chemicals, and you won't die, we promise. It's safe.
We gotta get close here.
Yeah,
this little doohickey right here is
gymnastics.
It's kind of under pressure, like it's sealed and threaded. So you kind of have to open it like a pill bottle. So you kind of push down, and you gotta take 2 hands. And you twist, okay? And this thing comes off. What we're doing here is we're getting the filter out. And that's the filter.
Needs to be cleaned.
Okay, Kayla's going to pause it, then we're going to go clean it.
No, I'm not going to pause it.
Kayla's going to come with me right now.
Because I don't want to pause it, because I don't want to edit it. You're getting everything, Katie. Whoop.
The railing was really wet, so my sweats are soaked. I didn't pee myself.
Look at his outfit. What a stud.
Get the hose.
Turn it on.
Crank it. Come over here.
Whoa! He doesn't give me much warning. This is not choreographed.
And you just start rinsing on a bit of an angle, and you watch some of the black come out of it. You're trying to get in between all of the ribs, each row of the filter. You see how it's pretty dark in there? So you rinse it, same area, it's already getting white. So you just put your thumb over it to get some pressure, and you start rinsing it out. So this is actually pretty dirty, considering I only did this 2 weeks ago. It could be because Kayla's hygiene practices are really suspect.
Shut your mouth. Could be because we had a responsible party with our 3 closest friends.
Is anybody watching her baby?
Nope.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Katie would have been better if you were here so you could watch her baby.
Or just learn this for real.
Okay. So you'll do this once a week, like on the weekends. See, look how quick that was. You're basically done hot tub maintenance.
Shiny white.
Okay. It's good now.
Turn off the hose. And then one last gymnastics move. There it is. The filter vessel.
By the way, the plug for this thing is down here.
Oh.
So if you ever get freaked out
Down there.
and you're just worried about the pump or something, just you can unplug it. But you won't need to do that.
No.
Goes back in on top of the little doohickey. You gotta push it down. That's good. And then this lid and pushing it down is what keeps it sealed. So you gotta give it some oomph, and then you thread it on, and the pump is now sealed again.
And that's that.
Done.
And then there's your chemicals, and we store them in this wonderful bin. We'll make sure they're easy for you to find. And that's it. Thank you, Erin Lee. You're a star.
Good job, Katie. Go do it.